Well, I was going to tell you folks, was thinking about what we were telling you about um, Mr. Slim saving my bacon many years ago when I was cooking, and um, I mentioned the fishing camp in Cocodrie, Louisiana, and I was going to tell you a little bit about that. Some interesting stuff going on down south. But to get down to Cocodrie from Harahan, you had to go across a bridge, a big, tall bridge, um, over the Mississippi River. It's called the Huey P Long Bridge. It's in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. And that baby didn't scare me, I guess, when I was riding as a kid, but as a young adult, you start out on that bridge, and it's just a long ramp. When you turn on to the ramp, you're on there. There is no backing up. There's no going anywhere else except up. And so the bridge is really narrow. It seems like barely enough. It's 2 lanes this way and 2 lanes that way. So you're creeping up to the top, and the Mississippi River is way, way, way down there. Um, when I was a kid, it wasn't uncommon. You could look back. This is the early '60s, late '50s, early '60s. It wasn't uncommon for people to use the bridge to commit suicide. They take the long dive. Pretty scary, anyway. But this bridge, you're driving up this, and because the river's way down there, it's instantly you're cautious. If you're getting too close to the side, don't get over there. You're gonna run off, or you're gonna fall off or something. And so you get on the inside rail. You get on the inside rail, and there's a truck on the outside rail, creeping about 20 miles an hour, and then all of a sudden, uh, you're scared to death, absolutely scared to death, driving over there, holding on for dear life, and and here comes a train, right, coming the opposite direction, right up the middle of the bridge. The two sides of the bridges, or the bridge, are separated by a train track. So you'll get a big old freight train coming in there, a huge semi on your right hand side, uh, just a hauling, and all you can do is hope you can make it to the hump and start downhill. And um, yeah, if you ever get a chance, I don't drive over bridges at all anymore. I think that was a some kind of latent phobia, or but I don't even do flyovers. Hence, I don't go to big cities and where you're constantly having to go up in the air. But